Welcome to this new video. I am the PC Collector, and on today's video I am bringing you another ultra-portable laptop which I'm going to restore to working condition, which is going to be a bit of a challenge. It's this Compaq Armada M300, which has the particularity of not having any kind of removable devices, only an USB port, which the BIOS doesn't allow to be booted from. So, what's the problem? What's the problem with that? The problem with that is that the drive is dead. In fact, it's not even present. So, you would say, how can you install anything on this machine? Well, I've prepared, following suggestions from some friends, I've prepared a drive to install Windows 2000 from MS-DOS using a hard drive prepared in a different machine. I'll probably post the whole process as a tutorial if this works, because I'm honestly not very confident about this working. My first idea was doing something different, but well, it's what I'm going to do. The machine, well, it's in good shape. Otherwise, I probably should replace this battery, because yeah, to do a quick test, since I didn't have the proper 2016 batteries, I did a quick test squeezing 2032 as well as I could, which was poorly, so I had to make a shoddy work, taping the battery instead of using my usual method to replace batteries. So yeah, this is not what I would recommend, because this can detach over time using just taping the battery to the connectors. But for a quick test, you can do it and it will work. But no, it's better to use the other system. So yeah, probably I think I'm going to make a proper battery replacement. The problem is that the place is so the place is so reduced that I'm not sure if my usual package is going to fit here. That's what I'm concerned about, because yeah, you can see how little room the battery has. So yeah, I have to think about this. For now, it is working like this, so I'm not going to touch it. Maybe I'll just put the correct battery so that I'm just going to put the correct battery. Well, I've tried it off camera, and effectively my normal do-it-yourself package doesn't fit in place, so I have to do it the shoddy way. I hope that the cover will keep everything in place, and if not, well, I'll have to replace that at some point. Well, now it's time to install the hard drive, which is rather easy. Just take this out and get the caddy. Yeah, because as most compact machines, it has a caddy. And now it's just a matter of placing the drive which I have already prepared for this machine. let's just screw it in. Must be around here. Oh, here it is. Yeah, found it. So now is just a matter of taping, of screwing it in. Alright, it uses Tor 6 screws. Tor 6, Tor 5. No, Tor 5. I'm glad that this thing uses a caddy because it's a common problem for the cases of those adapters to not really fit in, not being the same exact size of a normal hard drive, so it sometimes has trouble fitting. But the caddies should already take care of that. Okay, let's put in the caddy. No, let's put in the right way. I don't really think it even needs this screw here, but I'm going to place it anyways. Yeah, this screw, regardless of what it's original. I've seen images of other machines and all of them have it. So well, now it's time to try and see if it will run. Okay, now it is time to get it on and see if it works properly. If everything works right, it should work directly to MS-DOS in the hard drive. And it did. You can see the command prompt. So now all we have to do is go to the folder where the installation files are and running this command, which is the DOS installer for Windows 2000. Yes, that's the right I don't care about the smart drive. It's an SSD. I won't care about. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my damn god. Let's hope it works anyways. Oh my god! No, at this point, it's not. There's no point. Well, I've tested off camera that despite of the missing files, the system was capable to get installed. So yeah, I've prepared a new drive that I think at this time won't have the errors it had the last time. But even if it has, I know now that it will work anyways. So let's try again. Okay, they're the same files that failed the first time. Yeah, I had those errors last time as well. I don't know why, but it installed anyways, so let's see what happens. Last time it worked. Okay. No, this time it has decided not to work. Okay. Okay, it seems it's work. Just going to cross my fingers. Gas me level 3. Oh, qué mal. Qué martillo los trucks de drifteo. Okay. It has worked. It has worked. Oh my god, it has worked. Oh my god. It has worked. Oh my god. It has worked. Okay, I think I have more modern drivers but available, but oh my god. It has worked.